Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Hello Children. In this video, we will study the poem The Song of Freedom, poet C. Subramanya Bharati. C. Subramanya Bharati used the verse as his medium to awaken the slumbering people of India. He is a well-known Tamil poet who inspired the masses to overthrow the foreign rule and breathe the free air. This poem is not just a description of free India, it is also a description of a glorious India. The poet visualizes free India. In this poem, the poet celebrates the freedom of a nation. It is celebrated with songs and dance. Indians fought for the freedom unitedly, leaving aside all caste-born pride. Now, we are no longer too subservient to anyone. We are free from the tricks any foreigner could play to divide us. So, the poet celebrates India's freedom from the British rule. Now, listen the poem. This is the hour of song and dance, for blissful freedom is ours at last. Gone are those days of caste-born pride. Gone is the foreigner's might. Gone is passive subservience. Gone is the trickster's sway. Freedom is our universal speech. Equality, the experienced grace. We will blow the conch of victory and publish the truth to all. The hour of freedom is the song of dance. All rejoice because of attaining freedom. People are free from caste-born pride and we are not ruled by the foreigners. We have to put an end to passive subservience. Nobody can fool us. We are free and have strength. So we sing and dance. We have to enjoy the fruits of freedom. We are equal now. There is no animosity because there is equality. We will blow the conch of victory and declare that we are free from the foreigner's rule. We see that all are equal born. Now lie and deceit are dead. Only the good men are great. Ruin has ceased and wicked. Honor to the plowman and the worker. Shame to the glutton and the rake. We will not water the wastelands, nor sweat for the idler's wheel. We have learnt that this is our own land. It will be forever ours. No nation shall enslave us again. We will prosper serving God, our sole Lord. Let us honor the peasant group. Let us respect the farmers. We shall put an end to greed. Let us not cross our need. Let us be needy, not greedy. We shall put an end to immoral ways. Let us be strong, protecting our health. Let us not fall prey to the wicked pleasures like gambling and drinking. The poet gives us a call to believe the great saying that work is worship. The poet pleads the masses to inculcate patriotic spirit. We should live united so that no nation can enslave us. We will certainly prosper and serve the Almighty. Let us widen our thought and action, then only we can enjoy the heaven of freedom. Thank you.